I usually press Ctrl plus Shift plus S when I need to take a screenshot on Windows, which allows me to select a region of the display to capture. But that capture needs to be pasted into another program. If I want to capture the image to a file directly, I would use the built-in Windows Snipping Tool to capture the image. Then I would save it as a PDF or an image file. These two methods worked good. However, I wanted to see if there was a better method available with other free software. I selected 5 popular programs to test, but decided to test one bonus tool at the end of this video, which became worthy of mention. It is important to have a good screenshot tool. With the screenshot tool, you can easily edit images of anything on your screen into files, save important information quickly, mark up something on the screen, and add images or information into emails and documents. Let's say you were in a meeting or watching a video presentation and wanted to capture what is shown. With a quick shortcut, you can capture an area before it's gone. We are looking at 5 free available tools which capture and save whatever is shown on your screen. First is Windows Snipping Tool, second Greenshot, third ScreenshotX, fourth LightShot, fifth PicPick. However, can these tools pass these tests quickly? Test 1. Highlight the captured image. Test 2. Add an arrow to the capture. Test 3. Add text to the capture. Test 4. Copy the image to the clipboard to paste. Test 5. Mark up the image. At the end of this video, I will give my recommendations for the best tools to keep. First, we will be looking at the Windows Snipping Tool that comes pre-installed on Windows 10 and 11. This tool can be accessed 3 ways. One, by clicking Print Screen on your keyboard, or you can use the shortcut command by holding these 3 keys. Windows key, then Shift, and then press S all together. Lastly, you can type snip into the search bar at the bottom left of the screen. If you don't see anything happen, it may have captured the screen to your clipboard, which means you will need to paste the image into another program. For example, you can paste the image into a document or an image program such as Paint. To access Paint, type Paint in the bottom search area on the bottom left of the screen. Then click Paste. I am using the free software similar to Microsoft Word called LibreWriter to paste the screenshot as a test. Here you can see me using the Windows Snipping tools. The Windows Snipping tool has 2 bonus features when combined with the built-in image editor or the Windows Paint program, which are both installed with Windows. The first is the ability to copy text out of an image to paste into another program or document. The second is the ability to do background removal of the image. The con of this tool is that it doesn't allow the user to go back and make changes to the image after markup, except by pressing undo, which will undo all your markups. Now we are looking at Greenshot. You can download this at getgreenshot.org/downloads. It is easy to use with fast access and has a built-in image editor. This editor, in my opinion, works well for basic markup. Some of the features of this program are highlighting, drawing lines, arrows, and shapes. It can also add text and borders around the screenshot. This screenshot tool has limited sharing abilities and does not have video capture. Another drawback is when you make markups and want to change them later, you cannot without undoing the most recent markups first. Next, we are moving on to ScreenshotX. You can download this at ScreenshotX.com. This is similar to Greenshot with a built-in editor. However, this editor does not add text. It also does not draw straight highlights. It does not have all the features of Greenshot. Moving on to LightShot, this tool can be downloaded at apps.printscreen.com/en/html. This tool is slightly faster to use than Greenshot or ScreenshotX, but is lacking the markup tools of Greenshot. If you need a simple, easy-to-use screenshot tool without many features, this may be the one to use. However, Greenshot is better for markup. LightShot also has social media and cloud sharing functions built in. Moving on to PicPick, which can be downloaded at picpick.app/en/download. This tool has an extensive feature set. It does video capture, limited to 2 minutes in the free version. It also has a built-in image editor, which works well with many markup features. It is more than for simple screenshots. It also has various other tools built in that may be useful for some, such as whiteboard, scrolling capture, which is handy for long web pages, and extensive editing features. It is an easy-to-use program with with a familiar Windows-like design. Some drawbacks of PicPick are it is only free for personal, non-commercial users, and the video capture length is limited to 2 minutes in the free version. I wasn't going to look at this next tool, ShareX, because the interface looked too cluttered. However, I decided to give it a try, and it turns out to be very useful, so I'm including it as a bonus. You can download it at getsharex.com. It has been open source developed over many years and in my opinion offers the most depth. The program does video capture, third-party OCR text recognition, has multiple sharing options and scrolling capture that works more accurately than PicPick. It has a built-in image editor, extensive configuration options, and many other tools as you can see in this list. One nice feature of ShareX is that you can do multiple screenshots and paste them together. Using Ctrl-V to paste the image, you have the option to add the new image into the center, below, or on the right of the current image in the editor. This can result in a very long or wide image with multiple screenshots pasted together. PicPick and Windows Paint also offer something similar by resizing the canvas to paste other images together. As far as editing goes, only 2 of the 6 allow you to go back and change prior edits without using undo, PicPick and ShareX. I would be happy with any of the previously mentioned screenshot tools. However, my favorite right now, with the most comprehensive set of features, is ShareX. Although ShareX has the biggest learning curve and would only be worth it if you use the extra features it provides over the other tools. In my opinion, I would rank ShareX, PicPick, and Windows Snipping Tool in the top 3.